This is the Mountain Dew shotgun toss. Doing mellow yellow. FBS Hillbilly's gonna be throwing it.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna use the 410. This 410 we actually got as little kids. Let's see how it works. Woo! He got it.
Ain't bad, old boy can hit a dove, can he?
Woo!
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. Whoa! Shit. I don't even know if I want to try it now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh-wee. What level marksman did you go to?
Expert, son, all day.
Ready?
Got him, son.
You know, I think you should try to step up. See the red dot there?
Jordy got the can. Where'd you go? Look at this.
We got a lot of stuff stations out here too.
Go pick this brass up.
Colorblind as hell.
Kenneth, what you looking for?
Look at that brass.
That brass.
It's gonna blend in, don't worry about it.
Look at ground up into the ground.
Yeah.
What kind of gun is that?
This is a Remington 870 Super Mag Express. It's got the it's synthetic stock, and it also has the it shoots from 2 3/4 to 3.5 inch Magnum. It's a hunting variation. You can tell by the barrel because it's longer. It's got a 5-round tube in it. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Wings of Redemption, and this is just Firearm Friday. It's basically us getting around and shooting and having a good time, and just showing up some of the things that we actually done during the period of shooting. This is us shooting the AR-15. We all just, most of us, just all three of us. We only had one camera. Hopefully, we can remedy that in future videos. One of the problems that we have with this is one, I'm really new at like just doing videos where it's just real life, and I want to try to portray how much fun we're having, but at the same time you got to be able to do it in video, to record it and processor and sync. So if you guys have any suggestions of what you'd like to see us do, we might even change the name of the series to Fun Friday, so it doesn't always center around firearms, because I did take a little damage to my hearing in my left ear. I've had, you know, ringing and numbness in it since the video. So if you could please like the video. Yeah, it's a great time. Hopefully it's a series that we can continue to do. And by the way, here's a dumbass failing with a shotgun. That thing gonna obliterate that can stand. It's ready to go. He missed the can with a shotgun. Come on, man.
Look at it, tore a chunk out my finger too.
Here's recording. Here, get him right here.
It's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Here, let me see that finger.
Gun safety 101.